Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to restore your iPhone. If your iPhone is acting up, you're preparing to sell it or just want to start fresh, doing a factory reset can help. Here's a simple walkthrough to reset your iPhone back to its original settings. Firstly, start by unlocking your iPhone and tapping on the settings icon on your home screen. In the settings menu, scroll down a bit until you see General, then tap on it. This is where Apple keeps most of the system level options. Now scroll all the way to the bottom of the General page and you'll see an option called Transfer or Reset iPhone. Just tap on it to reset tools. Now, tap Erase all content and settings, and your iPhone may ask for your passcode or Apple password. This step confirms that it's really you trying to erase the device. After confirming, you'll see a screen explaining that it will be removed. Tap Continue to start the process. If you're signed into iCloud, it may also begin backing up your data before erasing. Let it finish if you want to save your information. Now your iPhone will restart and begin wiping all data and settings. The process usually takes a few minutes. When it's done, the phone will reboot and show the Hello Setup screen, just like when it was new out of the box. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this.